Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about food related interactions lesson in grade 6. So, I invite you to subscribe my channel and stay with us. Animals fulfill their needs oneself or in teams. The main needs of animals are food, air, water, security and habitats. Let's find out about the food that consumed by animals. This is given in the following table. In the table, you can observe animals with their food items. Some food items are eaten by many animals. As example, guava is eaten by caterpillar, parrot and also the squirrel. What is a food web? A diagram that shows the interrelationships among animals and plants for food is known as a food web. If you observe the diagram here, grass is eaten by caterpillar, grasshopper and also the cow. Then grasshopper can be eaten by cat, then lizard and also the magpie, and the caterpillar by magpie. Then finally, magpie and lizard can be eaten by cat, and also lizard can be eaten by rat snake. Then we'll discuss about mode of nutrition of animals. First type is herbivorous animals. The animals that consume only plant materials. As example, cow, rabbit, deer, giraffe, grasshopper, elephant, then goat. In the diagrams you can observe them. Second type, carnivorous animals. The animals that consume flesh of other animals. Example, wolf, leopard, lion, tiger, rat snake and hawk. In the diagrams you can observe them. Last type is omnivorous animals. The animals that consume both flesh and plant materials. Example, pig, cat, dog, cockroach, crow, hen, bear. What is a food chain? A linear sequence that starts from a green plant and shows the flow of energy from one living organism to another one is a food chain. All the food chains are starting from green plants as only they can produce their own food. They are called primary producers. Other organisms are called consumers. Green plants produce their own food using carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. The solar energy stored in the green plant is transferred to the consumers along the food chain as chemical energy. Each organism in the food chain is called a link. Links of a food chain. In the diagram, the first figure is the green plant. That is the first unit or the link. It is known as the producer. Then in the second figure, we have the rabbit. It's a herbivorous animal. That is the second unit and it is known as the primary consumer. Then in the third figure, we have the leopard. That is a carnivorous animal. That is the third unit and it is known as the secondary consumer. So this is an example for a food chain. The number of plants and animals in the environment is controlled and remained balanced due to the mutual relationships between the links, that means the organisms of food chains. All the links in the food chain render a great service to maintain the balance of the environment. Therefore, if an animal which belongs to a particular link is destroyed or removed, it affects the existence of other links of the food chain. Panda, who lives in China, is a herbivorous animal. This animal has faced a great threat of extinction as their only food is bamboo. When there is a large diversity in food consumed by animals, their existence is more established.